welcome back to the channel. We're at the river today. We're actually at a different river, but same mountain. I wish you could see, but it's really pretty. Checking on the greenhouse. Where's the greenhouse, guys? It's over here, right? It's just a cow.
Pretty sure that's the structure over there, because that's what the goats were.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, well, I thought that would be a little more straightforward, but just want to check on the greenhouse, so I guess we're gonna have to. Oh my god! I guess they'll have to send us.
You can see it.
Go Yankees! Sabihin mo! We got fresh pizza. My husband's been using, well, we just got a pizza peel that I had my sister send us. I sent it to her house. She sent it to us. Oh, mainit pa. Teka. Gawin mo. But we have everything now to make pizza at home. We make our dough. I make the dough and the sauce, and then my husband stretches out the dough, puts the sauce and the cheese, and then puts in the oven and takes it out for us. Mainit pa. We got our pizza stone, we got our pizza peel, we got our pizza cutter.
Yeah, well, I get the feeling.
He's got an initial D thing on his Jean. Burnt Basque cheesecake.
Wow, they have
What the fuck?
Basque cheesecake and chicken parm. What the heck?
Can I have a
Venti iced pumpkin spice
latte with
oat
oat milk?
milk.
Sorry, not available po tayo sa
Do they have the maple thing?
Do you have the maple one?
Sorry,
Do you have the salted maple?
not available din po. Salted caramel ice shake and espresso and brown sugar and soy milk ice shake and espresso is available po.
Maple what?
I don't know. What do you think?
Oh.
Jeez, well, you'll be happy to know that the council's gone now that he knows he murdered them. Bricks and Mortys that believe in this citadel to the bricks and Mortys that don't.
I guess it's
Hi guys, so it's a lot later now. I filmed a little bit over the course of a few days. We're home now from SNR. We actually are going back next week because we have an appointment. So we're heading back to the city next week because we have an appointment, and then we're going to see family, which will be nice. But I wanted to end off this vlog. We had a tropical storm here, but it didn't hit us. We just had like wind and rain. We live summer tropical, so that's pretty typical here. So we were very fortunate. It was fine. I showed a little bit of the aftermath of, yeah, baby, of tropical storm Kristine, some flooding in Nueva Ecija. Yay! we stopped somewhere for pumpkin spice and they didn't have any. So we stopped somewhere on the way back from the city, which was nice. They ended up having pumpkin spice. So I had that, and then what else happened? Oh, we will be watching the World Series also in a couple days. So we're so excited. We're Yankees fans here, so going to be watching that. But I want to end off the vlog, just another province life vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed just some of the quiet, slow living, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.